I wanted to show you guys this WEN disc and belt sander. It's really good for woodworking. It's got some cool features, so I'll show you guys around it and then talk to you guys about some of the features. Let's get in the video. So here is just around it so you guys can see it. As you can see, you have the belt sander on the top, and it's 36 inches long of working room, 4 inches wide. And then you have your disc sander right here. This is the 6-inch one, and you can interchange these. They both move at the same time, which is nice. And what's really nice about this, if you are woodworking and you want a flat surface to be sanded, you don't want to have uneven points, stuff like that. This is a great way to do that because it's a flat surface, so you can put your board on top of here and sand it. And then the disc sander is nice as well because it actually has this platform right here, and you can make this super plain. So that way, if you're sanding edges, of a board, you can get that straight line sand without getting a bunch of dents in it and stuff like that. So really cool. Over here, you can actually adjust the plane area as well if you want to adjust the angle. So you can actually just unscrew this like this, and as you can see, you can completely move it around if you want it flat or not, depending on how you want to use it. On the back here, it does have a dust collection port, which is nice, so you can hook up a vacuum and things like that. Here is the power cable right here. It's about a 6-foot cable. So nothing too crazy, not super long, but you can also use an extension cord. And on the back side, there's not really much. What's nice about this as well is you can actually mount this to a table. So a wood table or metal table, you have screw inputs right here, one on that side, and then 2 on this side as well, which is nice. And then you have your power switch right here. So when you turn it on, as you can see, it's pretty fast. It's really nice. And it just gives you that nice surface to be able to sand things on. It is for you guys. Turn it off. So as you can see, it is pretty fast. It's pretty powerful for such a small machine like this. It has a 4.3 amp motor. It can actually go up to about 3,600 RPM. And I do really like how it is 2-in-1. You have the belt sander and a disc sander in one machine, which is really nice. So overall, if you're a woodworker or you're just looking for a belt or disc sander, I would definitely recommend checking this out because it's a good option.